Welcome to 1360 Brook Street, apartment number E, a two-bedroom, two-bath apartment. We just walked in. The living room is straight ahead with a wood-burning fireplace. Very nice balcony area out front to relax. Straight ahead by the entrance door where we walked in is the laundry. Separate room, full-size, side-by-side washer-dryer. And then right beside it, of course, is the entry closet, and around the corner is the dining kitchen area. Very nice space for a table for four or so. Fridge, microwave, stove, and dishwasher, and the door at the end is the pantry. Let's continue down the hall. On the right, we have the first bath, tub and shower. And as we continue down the hall, on the left we have the linen closet. Straight ahead is the second bedroom. Very good size. And as we proceed to the principal bedroom, we pass the thermostat, central heat, central air. This is the principal bedroom. Bring your king-size bed, lots of room for that and a dresser. And then straight ahead is a walk-in closet. And directly adjacent is your private bath. So that's 1360 Brook Street, unit number E, Firethorn Apartments. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person. Or visit the website, 1350 Brook Street, 1350brook.com, I should say. And we'll be happy to do a private tour. Located very close to Rendell Road and Main Street, very convenient location.